So now we're coming on to the chest. So we've come from gallbladder 21. And what we're going to do is just do, you know, the blade, the side of the hand that we were working liver with. We're just going to come round the front of the shoulder joint. Can you all see okay?
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to come down from gallbladder 21, using the side of our hand and coming round the front of the shoulder. So you might have noticed when you were doing the rotations that there was quite a lot of tension here when you were rotating back the way. So just getting in the side of your hand is really good. So just coming round to the breast tissue, just the side of it. And then we're going to do a diagonal line to below the nipple line and just below liver 14, so we're going to hop down 1. Okay, so between the 7th and 8th ribs. And that takes us to gallbladder 24. And then we're going to do another diagonal line, so another triangle, just like we did on the side of the face. And we're going to come right back to the 12th floating rib. Yeah, good idea, thank you. So that says come round the shoulder, the front of the shoulder, and we've done our triangle. So 12th floating rib. And then we're going to come down the front of the iliac crest. So it's kind of a nice, like we've done round the shoulder, and then we're going to go round the iliac crest. So I use fingertips often for this. Coming right round. And before we go down the leg, we're going to find gallbladder 30. So gallbladder 30 is, if you find the hiatus of the sacrum, so that's like almost the base of the sacrum. And then we're going to find the greater trochanter, which is the big bony bit right at the top of your femur. So you'll feel, if you feel it on yourself, it's like a big ball shape. So if you feel your femur coming all the way up, then you'll feel like a big ball. We all got it? So not as high up as your hip bone, so just below. And so that's your greater trochanter. So if you imagine a line coming from the hiatus of the sacrum to the greater trochanter, we're going to come down 2/3 of the way. Got it? If you can do it on yourself, try it. So from the hiatus of the sacrum, a nice diagonal line to the greater trochanter. We're going to come 2/3 of the way. And we've found it. Did you see that? We jump.
I might not find it. I can't find your bony bit.
And so just being really careful here because it can be really painful for a lot of people. Okay?
That's the greater trochanter, and there's the hiatus inside. 2/3 of the way. Bingo! Sorry.
Did you all see that on Fred? Yeah? Yeah, okay, perfect. So just being really gentle, going in slowly and to see how far they can take it. Alright. Does that make sense, or do you want me to go over that wee bit again? Is that all okay? Fine, good. And then we're going to come up onto the leg, so doing your palming, coming down the leg, it a couple of times, just because this can be quite a sore part of the meridian. Yeah, exactly. So you came round the iliac crest, and now we're going to come straight down. In fact, perfect line. Thanks. There. So again, the stretch position helps you to just work right in the middle of what you can see. So when you put the leg in that position, you're working right down the middle. And so you're working on the IT band, and it can be really quite painful. So just being really gentle with people here. Coming straight down. And then we're going to find the head of the fibula, and we're going to hop just in front and just below it into the hollow. And again, straight down. It's quite sinewy, often it's tight for people, you'll feel it quite tense. And then we're going to come in front of the ankle bone and into that big hollow there. And we're going to come right down to the lateral end of the fourth toe. Okay. So quite straight, so it's been very zigzaggy up until now, and then it becomes quite straight. So straight down the IT band, making sure you're popping into Gallbladder 34. Straight down to the front of the ankle bone. And then to the outer edge, the lateral side of the fourth toe. Any questions?
When you're working on it,